Hello everyone, welcome back to Luminary Academy, and today I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll be solving trigonometry's question of class 10th cbse. Okay, I'm starting exercise 8.1 and question number 1. In the triangle ABC, okay, triangle right angle at B, and AB is 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. Determine sin A cos A, sin C cos C. Okay, so first what you need to do is you need to make a right angle triangle. Okay, make a right angle triangle like this, and it is right angle at B, so named it as B. This is if this is B, and if it is A and this is C, what you need to do is you need to find AB is given to you, that is 24, BC is 7. You need to find AC first. So by using PGT, you can find AC. Okay, this you need to find whole. Okay, so how will you find? By PGT. Now applying PGT is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, right? So AC square is not given to you. Okay, you will find the AC square. AB square is 24 square plus 7 square. Now you need to find the 24 square. Okay, so 24 square is how much? You need to calculate. If you don't know the square, you can calculate like this: 4 for the 16 and 4 to the 8 plus 1 9, and it is 4 to the 8 and 4 2 to the 4, so it is 6, and then it is 7 1 576. Okay, so 576 plus 7 7 is 49. You need to add these two. 6 plus 9 is 5, and then 8 plus 4 12, and then 6 25, right? So AC square is 625. So what is AC? So AC will be equal to 625 under root. So under root will give you the answer as 25, right? So AC you got the value 25 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter and this is 24 centimeter, right? Now you need to find sin A. I already told you about the angles. Okay, so I'll be finding angles here, right? So if you talk about sin A, okay, what does sin A mean? See, sin A means some people have, so perpendicular upon hypotenuse, right? So you know that sin A, so this is our angle A. When this is the angle, okay, this will be considered as base and this will be considered as perpendicular, right? And this will be hypotenuse H, correct? So perpendicular, what is perpendicular? Sine angle is this, so this is theta. Theta के सामने वाला angle होता है, so theta के सामने वाली sides perpendicular होती है, तो it is 7, and hypotenuse जो biggest जो biggest side है या जो longest side है 25, so this is 7 upon 25. Now you need to find sin C. I am first finding sin A and then sin C. So sin C will be equal to C. Now angle was on A. Now you need to change the angle and you need to put the angle on sin C. Okay, I'll just remove this. Okay, so you can understand better. Okay, so now you can see that this is your angle sin C. So sin C will be equal to again perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now what will happen? Your perpendicular will be this, because see, if you take the angle this, opposite of that angle will be your perpendicular. If you take this angle, opposite of that angle will be perpendicular. So this is your base, or we can call adjacent, and this is your perpendicular. So this is perpendicular and this is your base, right? For this case, so sin C, perpendicular will be 24 because it is given here 24, and hypotenuse will be 25. So 24 upon 25 is your answer, right? I hope you got the answer, these two. Now if you want to find cos A, okay, so cos A will be some people have curly black hair. Okay, so I will tell you this trick: some people have curly black hair through proper brushing. This trick I am using. So some people have curly black hair through proper brushing. Okay, now cos A will be, you need to see cos A. So this is your A, So some people have curly black hair, so black upon hair, right? So black will be equal to 24 because cos A we are on here, we are here right now. So 24 upon 25, 24 upon 25, right? Now I'm finding cos C. Cos C I'm writing here. So cos C, you know that some people have curly black hair. Again it will be B upon H. See, formula is same, but what happens is you need to change the sides. Okay, so now here the base, if your angle is C, now your angle is C, so base will be this, so 7 will be your base, and hypotenuse will be same. Hypotenuse never changes, remember this. So 7 upon 25. Okay, so please keep watching and share with your friends. Thank you. I'll be sharing each question one by one, okay, so that you can see those videos in which you have a doubt. Okay, thank you.